Hi, I'm John, and I'm making this video to show how to create a custom line type for a fence. In this case, it'll be just the standard line types that are usually created for a fence, a line with an X in it. But I'm going to create it two ways. One, I'm going to use the text, the letter X. We'll type a capital X here, and I'm going to use another kind of I'm going to use just a regular line. I'm going to create a shape of an X and then make that into I'm not going to be rigorous for this, just for the sake of speed. So if you notice, for the sake of a line type, this right here has a cleaner, thinner look than an X. An X appears too thick. So here we go. All right. To use the text to create a custom line type, just take and draw a line right here. You can make it, as long as you need, and then go to Express Tools, make line type. We'll name this fence 3, and then enter line type name. We'll call this F3N. Line type description F3ND. Specify starting point, end point. Select the objects. Let me do that again. Right click or press enter, and now this line type has been created and loaded. To use it, go here, F3N, and here it is. Now let's do this. Okay. I'll just draw like a square. So that's one. Now actually I'm going to draw another X to create the other line type. Okay, we'll turn on grid. Let's come in here pretty close. Enter line, boom. Okay, now we have to use this, we need to create a shape first. So we go to Express Tools, Tools, Make Shape. We'll call this Shape 2. Enter the name of the shape, SP2, SHP2. Enter resolution. We use the default. Specify insertion point. Turn this jazz off. Select the middle. Select the object. And hit return. Now, this is not the shape you created. This is what you used to create it. In order to drop the shape you created in, you type in shape. And let's say we forgot the name of it. Well, you press question mark and then asterisk, enter, SHP2. Alright, go back here, shape SHP2. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so right now we have our shape in the crosshairs ready to drop. Okay, now you can orient it and scale it. Like as you're dropping it in, it offers you to orient it and scale it. Okay, so now we're going to use this shape to create another custom line type. We'll just do this kind of quick here. Alright, enter, go back to Express Tools, Tools, Make Line Type. We'll call this fence F4, save, F4, we'll just call it F4, and then line type description, F4D. Alright, specify starting point, just like we did before, beginning, over here. Just put it right there, select the objects, enter, and this is not your line type. You have to drop that in. You can go to home, there it is, F4, and then here is the line type that you just created. Alright. Okay, and you notice this, let me see if I can find this one over here. Let me move it. If you zoom in, you can see that, I mean, I realize this is, I created this one bigger, but let's assume the two X's were the same size. You can see that this is a cleaner looking X, and it's not as much of an eyesore in your drawing, but it still indicates, oh, that's a fence. This is kind of overbearing, these X's. Anyway, so I've just created two custom line types, one with text for a fence line using X, and the other just drawing it and creating it a shape out of a line, and then using that shape to create a custom line type for a fence. I'm John. Thank you.